Happy Giant doesn't even know I'm there.
Tomatoes ever. It's our year. Bloody blah. Prize. The praise. This is our year. Bloody, bloody.
Duckling, great news! This is our year! Bloody blah! For the prize!
Ba-ba, ba-boo! Ba-bies! Ba-dee-ba!
We got our best tomatoes ever this year! We're gonna win the prize! Bloody blah! It's our year! Let's tell everyone! Just be careful of giants. Olivia!
Hey, aren't the leaves lovely?
Olivia,
It's so amazing how you know the wind is there, but you can't see it.
Huh? Olivia, there's an exciting thing! It's our year!
Our year?
Yes, for the prize! Bloody blah!
The prize?
It's our year! Best tomatoes!
That's so exciting!
Wait, what's exciting?
Did somebody say? Hep, 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 hep. Huh? Exciting? Only that it's our year! It's our year! Yay!
Our year for...
The prize! Bloody blah!
What's the prize?
Oh, Cecil, a prize is a very great thing, and it's our year.
So, where is the prize?
The best tomatoes ever. Bloody, bloody, blah. Win best prize. Bloody, blah. Growing things prize. It's our year. Bloody, blah prize.
Prize is where the giants are. We'll have to be careful. Invisible.
Ba-ba-ba-boo!
That's what I was going to say.
We have to go get the prize.
All the giants will be there.
And the best tomatoes ever.
Let me see. Invisible. There we are. Let's do this.
Frankie, what did you have for breakfast?
Pond wheat. Sorry, I'm a bit nervous right now.